joint variation. Examples. T varies as x over t when x equals to 36 and t equals to 16, t equals to 27. The first part of the question, find the formula that connects t, x, and small t. This is capital T, x, and small letter t. B, find t when, find capital letter T when x equals to 33 and small letter t is equals to 18. Solution. Now, we have t from the question. T equals to what? T varies as x over t. Now, we need to change this symbol to equality symbol. Now, in that case, we are going to introduce the constant of variation. It means that t will be equal to what? Kx over t. We have introduced k, constant of variation. Now, the next thing for us to do is to use the given values. We are given that x equals to what? 36, t equals to, that is when x equals to 36, t equals to 16, small letter t is 16, and capital letter T is 27. Now, let's substitute the values. So, in this case, we have capital letter T to be what? 27. Equals to what? The x. We're given x to be what? 36. And we also have small letter t to be what? 16. We have small letter t to be what? 16. So what do we do at this stage? We have 27 to be equal to what? 36 times k, what do we have? 36k divided by 16. The next thing for us is to cross multiply. This same thing as 27 over 1. So by cross multiplying, what do we have? 36k times 1, we have what? 36k is equal to 27 times 16. Now, what is the next thing to do? The next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by 36. Let's divide both sides by 36. 36k divided by 36 is equal to what? 27 times 16 divided by 36. Now, simplifying. This 36a1, 36a1. Now, let's simplify this. 9 here. 9 in 36 is what? 4. 9 in 27 is what? 3. Also, 4 here 1, 4 here what? 4. So what does that mean? Our denominator, we only have 1 left. So it means that k equals to what? 3 times 4, which is what? 12. The value of k is 12. So since the value of k is 12, this solution is for A. We can now write the formula that connects capital T, S, and small t together. Now, from here, we have capital T to be equal to what? Kx. Anyway, we see k, we replace it with what? 12. So we now have 12x divided by what? T. So this is the solution to the first part of the question. Now let's go to the second part of the question, which is B, the B part. The B part of the question, find t when s equals to 33 and t equals to what? 18. Let's find t. We are going to use the result we are having here. So now when x equals to 33 and t equals to 18, what are we asked to find? We asked to find the value of big T, the capital letter T. So now from here, It means capital letter T will be equals to what? Anywhere we see X, we put in what? We substitute S as what? 33. So this is like into 33, that is 12 into 33, we have it here, divided by what? T. What is the value of T given? 18. Then what do we have? We simplify. Simplify this. Now, we can simplify by saying, we look for a factor that will divide 12 and 18, and that is what? 6. 12 divided by 6, what do we have? 2. 18 divided by 6, what do we have? That's 3. Now, we need to simplify this also. 3 here, we have what? 1. And 3 here, we have what? 11. So we only have 1 at the denominator. And for the numerator, we have 2 times 11. So in this case, what do we have? Capital letter T equals to what? 2 times 11, that is what? 22. So it means that when X equals to 33, small letter t, when X equals to 33 and small letter t equals to 18, it means that the value of big letter T is equals to what? 22. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.